No, it's not a baby. It's a big sheep. You going to feed her? Feed her.
Out. Whoa. Out.
Not a cow.
Okay.
It's a sheep.
Oh, sheep. Nice.
Yeah, they're nice. You want some more corn?
No.
Are you all done?
No. Come on.
Here you go.
Okay. Oh. Come on. Oh.
You got some more? Okay, feed them.
What's this?
A little bit more? Okay. You feed the sheep? Hold it out. Say, here, sheep. Are you all done?
Yeah.
Okay, tell them goodbye.
Bye. Bye, cow.
That's a sheep.